Hello students, welcome to e-classes of P.N. Amerse High School. We will continue with our chapter number 12, Smart Charts. Question number 10, chapter number 12, Priya has made her family tree. Answer the following questions based on it. Students, here Priya has made a family tree. We have to give the answers of the question based on this family tree. Here you can see that Priya's grandfather's age is 65 years and Priya's grandmother's age is 60 years. The age of Priya's mother is 32 years and age of Priya's father is 38 years. Age of Priya's auntie is 35 years and age of Priya's uncle is 40 years. Priya's age is 10 years. Manan's age is 7 years. Manan is Priya's brother and Priya's cousin sister Nisha's age is 12 years and cousin brother's age Sanjay's age is 9 years. Question number 1. What was the age of Priya's father when she was born? Students, here you can see that the age of Priya is 10 years at present and the age of father is 38 years. If we subtract 10 years from 38 years, we will get the age of Priya's father when she was born. So the answer is 28 years. The age of Priya's father when she was born was 28 years. Now second one, how old is Priya's cousin sister than her? Age of Priya is 10 years and age of her cousin is 12 years. Now to find out how old is Priya's cousin sister than her, we will subtract 10 from 12. So we will get the answer as 2 years. Now third one, what was the age of Manan's grandmother when he was born? Students, here from the family tree you can find out that the age of Manan is 7 years and age of grandmother is 60 years. If we subtract 7 from 60 years, we will get the age of grandmother when Manan was born. So we will write the answer as 53 years. By subtracting 7 from 60, we will get 53 years. The age of Manan's grandmother was 53 years when he was born. Fourth one, what was the age of Sanjay's auntie when he was born? Students, from the family tree you can see that the age of Sanjay is 9 years and the age of Sanjay's aunt, that is Priya's mother, is 32 years. So by subtracting 9 from 32, we will get the answer as 23 years. The age of Sanjay's auntie when he was born was 23 years. Fifth one, what is the age difference between the eldest member and the youngest member of the family? Now students, here in the family tree you can see that the eldest member is grandfather and his age is 65 years and the youngest member of the family is Manan and his age is 7 years. And to find out the age difference between the eldest member and the youngest member of the family, we will subtract 7 from 65. So we will get the answer as 58 years. The difference between the eldest member and the youngest member of the family is 58 years. Students, ignore question number 11 of chapter 12. Now let's do homework. Question number 1. The weight of 4 students is shown in the following bar graph. Write the name on the bars on the basis of the details given. Students, here vertical bars are given. We have to write the names of the students according to their weight. Here first one is Bela has the minimum weight. Students, here you can see the horizontal line represents name of the students in the bar graph and this vertical line represents weight of the students, and this vertical bars are representing the weights of 4 students. We have to write the name of the student on the basis of their weight. Here first one was Bela has the minimum weight. Students, you can see in the bar graph that this vertical bar represents the minimum weight. So we will write the name of the student below this vertical bar as Bela. The weight of Bela was minimum. Second, Payal's weight is less than Amisha but more than Hetal. So on this first vertical bar, we will write the name of the student as Amisha. Below the second vertical bar, we will write Payal, and below the third vertical bar, we will write Hetal, as it was mentioned that the weight of Bela was minimum. So on the last vertical bar, we will write Bela. And as according to the condition, the Payal's weight is less than Amisha, so it will come after Amisha, and the weight of Payal was more than Hetal, so it will come before Hetal. Students, so in this way you have to write the name on the bars on the basis of the details given. Question number 2 of Let's Do Homework. Students of standard 5 to 8 in one school have collected some amount for relief fund. Detail of fund is shown in the following table. Complete the bar graph and answer the question. Students, here what is given in the question is that the students of standard 5 to 8 in one school have collected some amount for relief fund. We have to represent the details given below in the form of bar graph, and we have to give the answers of the questions on the basis of the bar graph. Here you can see that in standard 5, 3000 amount was collected. In standard 6, 6000 amount was collected. In standard 7, 2000 amount was collected. In standard 8, 4000 amount was collected. Now students, here a bar graph is given where in the horizontal line the standards are shown, and on vertical line amount is shown, where the scale is 1 unit is equals to rupees 1000. We have to represent the information given in the form of bar graph. Students, in this way you have to draw vertical bars representing the information given in the table, where standard 5 has collected 3000 amount, and standard 6 has collected 6000 amount, and standard 7 has collected 2000 amount, and standard 8 has collected 4000 amount. Now we have to answer the question based on this bar graph. First one, which standard has collected the highest amount? Students, from the bar graph you can see that standard 6 has collected the highest amount, that is 6000. So we will write the answer as standard 6 has collected the highest amount. Second one, which standard has collected the least amount? From the bar graph you can see that standard 7 has collected the least amount, that is 2000. So we will write the answer as standard 7. Then third one, which standard has collected half of the amount of standard 6? Students, here in the bar graph you can see that standard 6 has collected 6000, and half of 6000 is 3000. So the answer is standard 5 has collected half of the amount of standard 6, that is 3000 rupees. So we will write the answer as standard 5th. Which standard has collected double the amount of standard 7? Students, in the bar graph you can see that the amount collected by standard 7 is 2000, and double of 2000 is 4000. So here the amount collected by standard 8 is 4000. So we will write the answer as standard 8 has collected double the amount of standard 7. Students, with this we end our chapter number 12. Thank you.